Hello, hello, welcome back to the Craft Scraps. I am Lauren, and today I'm going to show you a super quick little review of this new Extreme Vinyl by 3M. So Michaels sent me some rolls of this to try out, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I did with it. Today I'm not going to include the design space tutorial just because I have so many videos on how to cut vinyl, and I just wanted to make this a really quick, simple video for you guys just so you can see how the product cuts, how it weeds, everything like that, how it applies to the surface. All in all, my initial thoughts are I really enjoyed the product, and what I really like about it, which I'll talk about more in the video, but it's water resistant and UV resistant. So as I'll also mention later, this video is not sponsored, but they did send this to me to try out for another sponsored post on my Instagram. So just fully transparent with you guys, and I think that's it. So let's get into it. Alright, so the vinyl I'm going to be using for this project is this new Extreme Vinyl by 3M, and it is now being carried at Michaels. It launched on February 5th. So this isn't sponsored by Michaels, but they did send me this for a separate sponsored post, but I really wanted to put it in a YouTube video, so I thought you guys would like this. I'm going to be using the red here and this white for this project. So they've also sent me black and green, so I think it comes in a good variety of colors. And what's really cool about this is it is water resistant and UV resistant. So you know, if you're looking to make car decals like this, or any that's gonna get wet or gonna be out in the sun, this is gonna be good to use. All right, so I'm just gonna cut this on the normal vinyl setting, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna decorate these cute little jars here for Valentine's Day. So this is what I'm going to be making out of them. I just put this 3M vinyl all over it and filled them with these super cute conversation hearts. So I thought this was so cute. And I also did one in white too, so I thought these were super fun. I am just going to cut this on the normal vinyl setting like I would with a normal vinyl. So I'm going to load my mat and cut. Alright, so unload our mat and take the red off. So now we will cut the white and cut. Alright, so I'm going to just separate the hearts from the Happy Valentine's Day SVG. Now I'm going to weed these like I normally would, so I'm just going to pull up a corner and pull away. And so I really like this vinyl. I've done a couple of things with it already, and I can tell it's going to be really durable, and it's really easy to weed, cuts really nicely. So I think it's a really good product so far. So good. Obviously I haven't done anything or had it long enough to be able to tell like if it's going to withstand, but they say that it's UV resistant, water resistant, so alright. And so then now I'm just going to get the middles of these letters. And so I'm pretty sure that this launched on February 5th, and today is February 6th filming this, so this will be just in time for Valentine's Day. And so it should be at Michael's by now, but call them to make sure before you go there if you want to try it out. So now I'm just weeding the hearts. So it's white, you won't be able to see, but you can kind of see that it's like a silver backing. Yeah, it's weeding like so easy. It's so nice. All right, and so now we are ready to put this on the jar. So I'm using a sheet of Oracle, I think this is Oracle. I got this at Michael's too. It doesn't say the brand, but I'm pretty sure this is Oracle transfer tape that you can get at Michael's. They sell it by the sheet, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna take my transfer tape and stick it onto my vinyl, give it a little scrape, and then I'm gonna flip it over and peel off the backing. And it came off that carrier sheet like a dream, so far so good. So now I'm just gonna place this on top of my jar. Scrape it down good. And now I'm just gonna peel off the transfer tape. And I feel like that turned out so cute. I love that. All right, so now for the hearts. So for these, I'm not gonna use transfer tape because they're so tiny. They can just kind of be put on like stickers. But what I am gonna use is I'm just gonna use my tweezers to help me get these off. And so this, I'm just gonna kind of put them wherever I want. Put some white ones up here. And what's also nice is that these are food safe. So I'm gonna take this food safe sticker off. Hopefully I can get it off in one. I freaking hate stickers that leave this white mark. It's so annoying. Ha! Only a little left behind. So I'm just gonna, I'll stick one there. And this, I'm just putting these on just kind of wherever. And what's nice about this is, so I'm gonna fill this with candy, of course, and when they're done with all of their candy, they can reuse this. Well, I mean, it's still gonna have Valentine's on it, but they can reuse this, and it's, since the vinyl's water resistant, they won't have to worry about it peeling or anything like that. So all right, so now I'm going to put some of these red hearts on. All right, so we have our super cute little jar. So now, the fun part. Super cute. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick and easy little Valentine's Day craft, and I am really happy with this 3M vinyl. It's really easy to work with. I'm really happy with it. So make sure you go check out Michael's, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, happy crafting.